my magic mantra for all women out there.
What is the advice you want to give to women? And I tell them,
so if you are a woman and you want to take plunge into entrepreneurship,
not so loved advice, but I think that's the first advice I'd give you.
If I just had to say one thing, that would be it.
Women don't need any advice. They just need opportunity.
Don't let any of your identities of being a woman to supersede your primary identity of being an entrepreneur.
You have to focus on yourself. If you are all right, everything around will be all right.
First, stop listening to all women. My firm belief is step one is women pull women down. And I think that should stop.
Contrary to this popular perception that, women are women's worst enemies, women at Women's Web have been incredibly supportive of each other.
Believe in yourself and take risks.
If women pull each other up, I think we'll have a far better economy.
They have that ability to give you magic all around.
Believe in your own story. Go for it.